Welcome back to the Gun Show, my friends. We always appreciate you. And guess what? Today is all IMTS all the time, and I got a superstar, Kevin McDaniel, here with me today for Kennametal on booth 432324. Yes, the MTDCNC team will be there on Friday the 13th. Ooh, spooky Friday the 13th. Yes, at 12:30, and we'll be doing something quite special that day. Before we get into the special, let me bring in Kevin, because he's special himself, and we're going to talk about all things Kennametal, all things IMTS, and why you guys out there should visit the booth. Kevin, thank you so much for being here, my friend. Welcome back to the Gun Show, my friends. This is the VIP edition.
Thanks, Tony. I'm glad to be here today.
Yes, sir. So we're talking IMTS. We know it's the largest trade show every 2 years in the Western Hemisphere, and we know your bright yellow booth, all the smiles that go along with it, and you going to have that glorious smile for us to come see as well. Let's talk Kennametal. Why should people, with all the choices they have, other than the obvious, of course, because Kennametal is world famous and massive, but other than the obvious, why should we swing by your booth with all the choices at IMTS?
Well, not to mention, that Kennametal is going to be represented by some of the best machining specialists in the world. You're going to see the best products in the world and cutting tools. But we got a lot of exciting things. We've got every single day. We've got guest speakers. We've got a rock concert venue.
What?
It's just going to be a really exciting time to be in our booth this year. It's a great theme, and we're excited to be back after a 5-year absence.
5-year absence. So this is really significant to be back. All of us missed at least one of those or two of those years, right? Because of some little thing that was called COVID. But you guys have thought out of the box this past year, Kevin. I mean, I was in admiration of this bus that was going across the country. So between this marketing plan and going back to IMTS, what are some of the highlighted products we can get excited about to go along with some of these keynotes that are going to be on your booth as well?
Yeah, so we got a mix, Tony. Like, we've got our high performance products. We got like Harvey 2 TE that we're gonna unveil. We've got top Swiss MB micro boring system. And we've got some of our HPR solid carbide drilling for deep holes and just regular linked holes. And then we have very versatile products. Our KCU 25B is a new grade in iso turning and groove and turn and cutoff inserts, as well as our Go Mill Pro, which are some solid carbide end mills, and our Drill Fix Pro, which is a very versatile indexable drill that we're gonna highlight at the show.
Kevin, can you humor me for just a minute? As the director of sales and business development at Kennametal, and I came from a machining background, and oftentimes my accounting department forced me to buy cost-effective, yes, for those of you listening on Spotify, Apple, and Google, I did air quotes just then. For those on YouTube, you saw it, but cost-effective book items in order, and then I had to make those cutting tools work. For the audience out there who's forced in that direction, just like myself, and is talking to their accounting department, what can the right tool from Kennametal truly bring to a machine shop environment?
In one word, Tony, productivity. Like, if you're looking at productivity, the lowest CPU, the most production out of your equipment and the capital that you've invested in your human resources, then it's a no-brainer. You want the best tools to bring all that together, and that's what Kennametal specializes in.
Yeah, you're right about that. And I've actually used Kennametal tools quite a bit and truly had success with them. I can say that I have reduced cycle times by 90%. I know that seems extreme, but I've reduced cycle times by 90% from going from a generic tool to the right tool for the job. And I would say something like that's fairly normal for you, isn't it, Kevin?
Yeah, it is. I just heard from a customer the other day where they took 6.5 hours out of their production time on a part. This was an aerospace part, and I can't wait to see the test report on that one, because it's going to be big, and we're going to really kind of highlight that one as well. But that's really what we do best at, and we'd love to work with more customers on it.
Yeah, Kennametal helped me one time save my company $100,000 per year. And the company that I helped do that actually gave me a nice little percentage of that savings. So just let me say thank you to you and Kennametal for allowing that to happen. Let's talk a little bit about some of the speakers that we can see on the booth. Do you have a schedule by chance in front of you or near you where we can say, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or do we not need to be
Yeah,
that
I do.
exact? I'd like to learn a little bit more about who's going to be speaking and how I can find them.
At EBITDA Growth Systems, we guarantee to double your value in 3 years. Well, instead of telling you about a guarantee, how about if I tell you a story? We had a shop owner come to us at an event saying, I'm not sure if you can help us. He said, we have our credit lines maxed out in our business. I have a second mortgage on my home, it's maxed out. I'm not sure what to do. I have a payroll coming up next week and I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Can you help us? We said we weren't sure, so we came in and we came alongside of him. In 18 months, he went from not having any money to having over $800,000 in the bank and having a 6 times exit what his value was at that day. And now he's living a life that he always dreamed of with his family. And it's fantastic, and that's what's really rewarding for us, and that's what EBITDA Growth Systems is all about. If you want to know more about EBITDA Growth Systems, go to www.ebitagrowthsystems.com, EBITDA growthsystems.com, and go to our contact page where I will reach out to you personally.
Okay. So on Monday, September 9th at 10 a.m., we're going to have our global machining technology team there doing demos and kind of showing off a machine, a live machine. It's going to be a DN Solutions 4100 SVM in our booth, and it'll be simulating the cuts. We'll actually show the cuts on a screen that we did prior to the show. And that same day at 2 p.m., we'll have Lauren Liddell, the spindle chick, at the booth, and with the machine that's demoing the tools.
So this is Monday.
That's Monday, right?
It's a good start to the week.
Yep. And then on Tuesday, September 10th at 10 a.m., again, we will have Lauren Liddell, the spindle chick, in our booth. And at 2 p.m. that day, Barry Setzer from Titans of CNC will be there.
Another, great couple of folks. Titans of CNC, I know, is a wonderful partner of yours, and I mean, everybody watches that channel, right? Trying to figure out how they can do things faster, more dynamically.
Absolutely. He'll be highlighting some of our tools and what they're capable of doing.
Yeah, quality guy.
Yep. And then Wednesday, September 11th at 10 and 2 o'clock, Jacob Sanchez, the manufacturing kid, will be in our booth.
Is that what he calls himself, the manufacturing kid?
The manufacturing kid, yes.
Who, to my knowledge, used to work with Titans of CNC.
I'm not sure on that, Tony. I have to learn more about it. I know.
I got that part covered for you, Kevin. Don't worry. He and I have spoken about that a couple of times, but that's cool. What a great array of people. What else is going on Wednesday?
That's it. At 10 and 2,
okay.
Jacob Sanchez will be there. And then on Thursday, September 12th, Jacob will be back at 10 a.m., as well as Barry Setzer from Titans of CNC at 2 p.m. To kind of wrap up our special guest for the week.
Amazing. So Friday will actually be MTDCNC joining you from 12:30 to 2:30, and I believe, I'm not sure if you're allowed to say it out loud or not, Kevin, but I believe we're going to do some sort of giveaway on Friday.
We are going to do, it's a major giveaway. The machine that we have in our booth, Tony will be giving that away to one lucky winner at noon on Friday.
Noon on Friday, and we don't want to say what that is yet, do we?
What is?
What the giveaway is? What is it?
No, we are going to we're going to give away the machine that's in our booth.
Wait, okay. I thought I misheard you. I thought you said something about something that was coming on. That's incredible. You're giving away a machine?
We're giving away a 3-axis vertical machining center. It's the SVM 4100 by DN Solutions. So yes, we're giving away a machine.
How do I sign up for that?
You just have to come to our booth and let us scan your badge, and you'll be entered into the drawing.
I'll see you Monday through Thursday. Can I sign up more than once? Can I sign up 100 times?
No, you can only sign up once, Tony. But you'll have the same chance to win as everyone else.
Is Kennametal gonna be the gratitude piece as I start my machine shop from this year moving forward? Is that what's gonna happen?
Absolutely. We'd love to be with the machine. Kennametal will be there, and our team will be there to tool it up and and work with the lucky winner to make it the most productive machine that they have.
Oh my gosh, that's absolutely incredible. You actually had me stammered there for a minute, Kevin, because I hadn't researched what you were actually giving away. I could have swore that we were headed in the direction of, a cool part that you were making, or maybe like some gift cards for your cutting tools that everyone would love to have, right? But a machine? That's what 5 years of waiting will bring you, is a machine giveaway. That's amazing.
Look, right now, kids are looking at what they're going to be doing in the future, and some of them don't even know what a career in manufacturing could look like. So what we're trying to do is support organizations and initiatives that are telling kids what a career in manufacturing is. So help us give back by purchasing Shop Floor Coffee. You can find us at shopfloorcoffee.com. We're on LinkedIn. Contact us. Let us know how we can support you and your organization.
No, it's pretty awesome. And that's not it, Tony. We have other giveaways. We're going to have Kennametal themed guitars, electric guitars that we're going to give one away each day. So Monday through Friday, one lucky winner can win a Kennametal themed guitar. And then there's also a gift box that we'll be giving away daily, Monday through Friday. And that gift box will have various things in it, like Kennametal tools and other things that our customers would be interested in having.
A lot of winners. That is a lot of winners. What great gifts. That's amazing, Kevin.
It is amazing, and it's really cool that we can like help our customers be the most productive that they can be.
I agree with that, Kevin. I'm gonna kind of close this thing out with just kind of picking your brain a little bit of your heart as well. Director of Sales and Business Development at Kennametal. This obviously matters to you. I imagine, much like myself, we don't go into this business just to chase the mighty dollar. We care about people. We care about their success. We care about machine shops and manufacturing. Would you resonate with these statements as well, Kevin? When people come to your booth, they're going to feel like family when they visit you?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that's really where we pride ourselves, Tony. We want to understand the customer's challenges. We want to be part of their solutions and really work hand in hand with them. I mean, that's our strength, and that's what we'd like to continue to do for many years to come.
Yeah, very, very well said. I'm going to leave this platform for you right now, Kevin. Just if I haven't asked you any questions that you feel like you and your team want to convey to the audience listening right now, watching right now, just to come to your booth to check out and beyond. This this is IMTS, but not just IMTS. You guys continue to break the mold and think outside of the box when it comes to technology and marketing to make sure people understand what you do and your dedication to this industry. So I'm just going to leave this area right now for you to just have a moment to convey any messages that you'd like to share with our audience.
Yeah, Tony, thanks. The IMTS show, I think a lot of people go to that to see the newest technology, right? And a lot of people go to the South Hall to see the newest technology with machines. I just encourage everyone to make the trip, come to the West Hall, see the Kennametal booth, see the technology, so you can really get the most out of your capital equipment. I mean, you have a huge investment with the machines that you have in your shop, and it's like having a Ferrari with used tires on it or something. You want the best cutting tool that you can get. You want to get the most out of that machine, and our team of experts there in the IMTS this year would be very happy to work with you and make that a reality.
Kevin, you just brought up something that actually, so on this show regularly, when we do our longer versions where we humanize manufacturing, I've been doing lately this thing called a gratitude and a pet peeve. You just mentioned one of my pet peeves in manufacturing, which is the investment in a high quality machine without investing in the quality that's supposed to go along with it, right? The cutting tools, the tool holders, the work holding, the coolant, all the pieces that really make the puzzle a full picture instead of just broken pieces laying around. That is one of my
Right.
pet peeves, Kevin, is not focusing on all the things outside of the machine. So thank you for bringing that up.
Yeah, no problem. We'll have our MTI team there, as well as that can help anybody that buys a machine to tool that machine up. I mean, we'll work with you and come up with a package that gets the most out of the machine. So come see us at IMTS this year. and we would love to work on your next project.
Yeah, you guys are great at that. The support is second to none for sure. This is my buddy Kevin McDaniel. This is Kennametal, and the booth will be 432324. We look forward to seeing you there. As you can see, Titans will be there, Lauren will be there, Jacob will be there, and we'll see you on Friday with MTDCNC. Kevin, thank you so much for your time today. It's been short and amazing and powerful, and I look forward to seeing you in just a little while.
Love it. Can't wait to see you, Tony. I hope everyone comes to see us. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. If you shared some of your precious time with us today, the time is one thing we cannot manufacture more of. So if you shared it with us, we appreciate it, and we will see you again soon.